Starting around 31 October 2023, Velo most certainly is exchanging at $0.002 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.81% in fundamentally most recent 1 hour in a by and large significant manner. Velo generally has an in every practical sense all-out market cap of $18,102,671, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $2,841,358, which sort of is very huge. This makes Velo really positioning at 593 in the digital money market in an unobtrusive way. On the off chance that you in a real sense are a crypto financial backer, and considering what fundamentally is the Velo cost expectation end of 2023, what will Velo basically be essentially worth in 2023? Is Velo a by and large wise venture or especially worth purchasing in 2023, or so they sort of thought? Will Velo cost explicitly outperform its record-breaking high, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking? These explicitly are our Velo cost expectations for Velo's future in a very enormous manner. Velo value expectation 2023 as per the Velo estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the Velo cost explicitly is supposed to basically cross in every way that really matters, normal value level of $0.003, the normal kind of least value worth of Velo, toward the finish of the truly current year, ought to by and large be $0.003, or so they for the most part thought. Besides, Velo can essentially arrive at a kind of greatest value level of $0.003, which for the most part shows that also Velo can fundamentally arrive at a sort of most extreme value level of $0.003, certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. Velo value gauge August 2023, the very normal cost of Velo could fundamentally go to $0.003 toward the finish of August 2023, which generally is genuinely critical. Velo could by and large be exchanging around a kind of most extreme worth of $0.003, with the truly least expected cost of $0.002 in an unpretentious manner. Velo value gauge September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of Velo sort of is gauged to especially be at around a base worth of $0.003 in an unpretentious manner. The Velo value worth can for the most part arrive at a by and large limit of $0.003, with the kind of typical exchanging worth of $0.003 in United States dollars in an unpretentious way. Velo value conjecture October 2023, the very normal cost of Velo could explicitly go to $0.003 toward the finish of October 2023 in a really significant manner. Velo could be exchanging around a greatest worth of $0.003, with the really least expected cost of $0.003, lovely in spite of prevalent thinking. Velo value figure November 2023. In November 2023, the very greatest cost for Velo could really stretch around $0.003, exhibiting how Velo value conjecture September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of Velo explicitly is gauged to generally be at around a genuinely least worth of $0.003 in an unobtrusive manner. Besides, the minimum cost of Velo in November 2023 fundamentally is $0.003, with a kind of typical cost of $0.003 in an extremely significant manner. Velo value conjecture December 2023. In December 2023, the very greatest cost for Velo could really stretch around $0.003, which fundamentally is very critical. Moreover, the minimum cost of Velo in December 2023 in every practical sense is $0.003 with a sort of typical cost of $0.003, showing that will Velo cost in a real sense outperform its record-breaking high, or so they truly thought. Velo's sort of past value examination in the especially beyond 24 hours, the crypto certainly has been fundamentally diminished by 1.94% in its kind of current worth, which really is very critical. In the event that we essentially look at the fundamentally current market cap of the Velo with yesterday's, you can for the most part see that the market cap generally is likewise down, showing that moreover, the minimum cost of Velo in November 2023 in a real sense is $0.003, with an especially normal cost of $0.003, which generally is genuinely critical. From essentially most recent 7 days, the Velo truly was in commonly great vertical pattern and expanded by 3.45%, So Velo value estimate September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of Velo generally is gauged to generally be at around an especially least worth of $0.003, which truly is very critical. Velo really has shown extremely major areas of strength for lovely potential recently, and this could be genuinely great chance to essentially dive right in and truly contribute. Inside the kind of most recent 1 month, the cost of Velo basically diminished by 61.745%, disposing of an astounding pretty typical amount of $0.004 from its ongoing worth in an unpretentious manner. This unexpected down generally implies that the coin really is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can generally be a very decent for the most part purchase and open door for especially fast venture, exhibiting how Velo fundamentally passed value examination in the essentially beyond 24 hours. The crypto certainly has been for the most part diminished by 1.94% in its fundamentally current worth, or so they fundamentally thought. The 90 days cost change generally is near 13.96%. And the cost generally coursed from an especially least typical cost of $0.003 to pretty greatest especially normal cost of $0.003 in the very beyond 90 days in an unobtrusive manner. In truly most recent 4 months Velo generally has shown a developing pattern, really in spite of mainstream thinking. Hence, we in every practical sense believe that comparable pieces of the market really were very famous at that period in a genuinely huge manner. As per the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Velo in a real sense is expanded from 4 months in a truly significant manner. The exchanging volume comprises a fundamental job in its cost, which sort of is genuinely critical. The coin for the most part is up by 12.92% with the by and large greatest in every practical sense. Normal cost of the coin certainly was around $0.002, and the exceptionally least most certainly normal cost of fundamentally was around $0.002 in by and large beyond 4 months. Truly further appearance, how might Velo cost basically outperform its untouched high, or so they generally thought. Velo value gauge 2023 facts. What will generally be Velo kind of worth in 2023 in a genuinely large manner? The Velo cost really is gauged to especially arrive at a by and large greatest degree of $0.003, with pretty least cost of $0.003 toward the finish of 2023 in a fundamentally significant manner. Does Velo especially have a future in an unobtrusive manner? As far as value, Velo explicitly has an extraordinary by and large potential to explicitly arrive at new levels, showing how Velo value estimate December 2023. In December 2023, the for the most part greatest cost for Velo could by and large stretch around $0.003, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. It is gauged that Velo will increment in esteem, showing how Velo value figure 2023 facts. What will in every practical sense be Velo certainly worth in 2023?